The Genderlect styles theory. The Genderlect styles theory was created by Deborah Tanner. Genderlect is defined as a term suggesting that masculine and feminine styles of communication are best viewed as two distinct culture dialects. Deborah Tanner is trying to prove that communication differences between men and women and their views are different. She's trying to answer the question, do men and women even live in the same world? There are differences between men and women and their communication style. Some examples are, women want to communicate and connect and to be intimate, whereas men are concerned with their status and their independence. Women want to communicate by having a conversation. Men want to just speak with a purpose. They like to keep it short and simple. Rapport talk is defined as a typical conversational style of women, which seeks to establish connection with others. Report talk is a typical monologic style of men, which seeks to command attention, convey information, and win arguments, of course. Women also tend to make more eye contact during their conversations. How can this information be applied to your everyday life? Have you ever been involved in a text message conversation with a man? As a woman, you put a lot of thought into your conversation, trying to make sure that you put the right information into your text. What do you get as a response? The letter K. This could be very frustrating, but for a man, they don't usually see anything wrong with it. This is a perfect example of the difference between rapport and report talk. Again, women put thought into their conversation. Men keep it short and simple. They speak with a purpose. Listening skills. Women tend to be better listeners than men do. Men are much more easily distracted. Because of this, they don't pay much attention, and they also tend to take over a conversation whenever they find the right opportunity to do so. Who enjoys a good fight during a conversation? Men typically do. Women tend to avoid conflict because they like to communicate and connect with people. By doing this, they avoid those fights. Men, they don't hesitate. Whenever there is a conflict situation, they will jump right in. Next time you're having a conversation with somebody of an opposite gender, think about the way that they're communicating. Are they having an in-depth conversation with you? Or are they keeping it short and sweet and to the point? Think about the Genderlect theory when you're having a conversation, and how does this apply to you?